Alright friends, I got one more walnut log to put on the sawmill and all those customer logs will be finished finally. And this one's kind of short, but it's got a crotch on it. You know what that means. Good stuff. We got Mr. Cabbage up here with us today. He's watching the back 40 it looks like. Cabbage, how's it going? You doing okay, buddy? Hey Cabbage. What's wrong with you? You're getting to be like Mama Cat. You won't even talk to me no more. Alright guys, real fast, something I failed to mention in the previous video. My buddy Chris Killinger up in Ohio is the guy that makes these suspenders for me, and he's making them right now. They're on his website. This is not sponsored by Chris or nothing like that. I bought these with my own money. I bought these, gosh, maybe 5 years ago. I wear them every day. They're really good. They're not cheap, but you'll never need another pair again, put it that way. There's a link down below to his website. The reason I'm doing this is because I get questions all the times on these videos. Where do you get your suspenders at? Well, they come from Ohio, from Chris Killinger. And he only makes these sometimes once a year. He'll do it for about a month and then he's done for about a year. So if you want these, I would go to his website right now and make an order, because who knows how long he'll be doing this for. He may quit tomorrow, or hopefully he won't stop by the time this video comes out, but I'll talk to him tonight and tell him to keep the store up. But that's where I get them, and now's the time to get them. Not sponsored, not paying me to say this. He's never asked me to mention his suspenders in a video, ever. And neither has Joe Maine. When you think about stuff like that, Joe also never asked me to put his name in these videos. I just try to help out small businesses that I like and that I use. And that's 2 of them right there. So there's links down below. Go get you some suspenders. Buy once, cry once. They're over $200, worth every penny. You'll never need another pair. They're really nice. This is black walnut. It's about 8 feet long. Now we do have 2 crotches on this log, but this right here I think will be the best one, and the width on it is about 19 inches, which may get more narrow once we start cutting down. I'm probably not getting a good measurement by eyeballing it that way. Maybe 18 or 19 inches on the width. Should have some really nice crotch figure right here. In my experiences over the past 10 plus years with crotch walnut, when you have a crotch like this halfway up a log and the log continues, it's usually your best figure right there. So I have high hopes for this. And also for you guys that may be wondering, right here on the operator's side is the other crotch. It's a lot smaller and it's turned in a different direction from that one down there. So you gotta make a judgment call on stuff like this. I think we'll be better off with the figure on that one than we would get right there. And you'll never know what was right there, but you just gotta make the decision and go with it. But like I was saying earlier, with crotches like this, it's usually a very good day. That didn't sound right, did it? Well, I thought I was done for the day, but I forgot. It's time for a tractor ride. Let's go pick up Bruno.
Where's your phone?
I got it with me. You ready to go?
Yep.
Bruno likes to use my phone to listen to music while we ride the tractor. That's why he's always got it up to his ear, in case you're wondering. You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Thumbs up?
Yeah.
We're waiting on you, Bruno. There we go. All right, guys. Bruno, look how dirty the windshield is. Whose job is it to clean the tractor?
You?
Mine?
Yeah.
He says it's mine. He's probably right. A lot of you guys have been asking about the land behind the barn. And as you can see, I've not done nothing back here in about 3 weeks. It's been too wet to get back here with any of the machines. But hopefully next week, when I get back from being out of town, we'll put in a new drain tile right over there, bring the excavator down, and dig up all these pear trees. And there's more than the eye can see. Or at least that's what I'm hoping to do. See what happens.